Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome to today's video. I am sharing with you the project that I'm actually going to be making here on camera for this open collab, which is hosted by Martha at Martha Makes Art. I will link her channel in the description box. Approximately around the 20th of each month, she posts a video where she gives a prompt and you can use that prompt to make anything you'd like. So just make anything you want. So for example, I'm going to be making a card, but you could do a coloring page, a tag, an ATC, a painting, a drawing, anything, you know, that you feel comfortable with. It's just a prompt and you go for it. So I am going to be making a card, and her prompt for this month of July was lemons or lemonade. So I have a stamp and I have already stamped it out. And it says every day is a fresh start. So this was the stamp, and then I took an oval die and I cut that out, and then I used a Sharpie in yellow just to outline the edge of the lemon. And then I made this card base. This is 5.5 by 4.25. It's just white cardstock, so I already have that ready to go. And then I have this piece of paper with the yellow polka dots. It's from a pad that I bought at, I think at Hobby Lobby several years ago. It's thinner cardstock, thinner paper. So I am going to glue that down to here. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this down here. And I have a stamp that says, thinking of you. Just have to find my... So I'm going to go ahead and stamp this thinking of you on the inside. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is, let me go ahead and stamp that. So I will show you using my platform. I really love this platform. This is the one that I got in clearance from Michael's not too long ago. It was only $10. They may still have it, so if it's something that you're still maybe interested in, check out the clearance section of Michael's. They may still have them. They were getting rid of a lot of We Are Memory Keeper things, I think, because their name changed to We Are Makers instead. So this is going to be the front of the card. So this is going to be the, so I have to make sure that let's go ahead and put it this way. So the card will open that way. And where's my stamp? My stamp, let me go ahead and put these here just to hold them. These are actually the magnets that came with this project. Maybe I should just use those. Those are from my other stamping platform. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put that thinking of you right here. Well, maybe right here in the middle. And then I'm just going to go ahead and, oops, place that down like that. I'm going to get my ink. So this is definitely a fun collab. You can join in anytime you want. You can probably go back to, I believe, Martha in her description box. She says that she puts the prompts for each month. And so I'm just going to come here and press down. And there's that. Got a little bit of ink there, but we'll see if I can erase it. It's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just use this adhesive to just glue down that colorful cardstock. I bought this runner at Hobby Lobby. It's not any specific name brand, but it'll do the trick. Sometimes glue makes it warp. I've noticed that, and I do like this. Okay, I'm at the end of that, but I've got others. That's what happens, you know, it's not live video, but it's what's going on. Just going to put that down there. And now I'm just going to go ahead and place this here. Let me get another, I can use my Fabri-Tac actually for this. And I thought with every day is a fresh start, and then the thinking of you on the inside. Let's say someone is maybe not having, is like having a bad day or just needs some cheering up. I thought that this card with these sentiments would be nice. Let's see. Just want to place it in the center as possible. And that is it. That's my card. There's the thinking of you. And again, I'll probably be selling this at my craft fair, but this again is the open collab hosted by Martha at Martha Makes Art. And that is her channel handle, which will be linked in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.